right, folks, it's time.
All right, this is it, people. Let's move. Let's go, 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 go.
Girl, I'm smiling like my daddy coming to pick me up for fishing. This is the U-Haul. And this is the nice one, sister. This is the nice one because it has these latches and then this falls down into a ramp. So much easier than the one that has like French doors. But we are ready to go. So let's go on over to the storage unit. I was so afraid that the trailer that I got wasn't gonna be big enough. It's a 5x8. I was thinking last night as I was sleeping, my storage unit is 5x10. I've gotten rid of so much, and you're gonna see in like a couple of seconds. Somebody better go get their man. They man on the way to Cancun. You better go get him. My storage unit ain't filled up all the way, so I was like 5x10. 5x8. I think I can fit it in the 5x8. But then when I drove up and I saw the trailer, I thought, this is so tiny.
So small.
This can't possibly fit all my stuff. But watch how I fit all of it in there. Watch how I do this. Watch how I finesse this real quick. Hold on. This is it, sister. For real? That's all my stuff.
Wow.
My bed frame in the back. That's all I got left, girl. I got my sacred and my bicycle. That's all I need. Everything is on casters, so I just gotta roll this out and pop it in. It's all ready to go, literally every single thing. So this shouldn't take more than like 35, 40 minutes. This bed, I don't know, it is a little chunky. I might have to like deflate it a little bit. I do have my air pump in the car. I'll figure that out. But first we're gonna get all these boxes out. But look how nice and organized it is. Everything is labeled. Yeah, I didn't play myself this time. I'm not stressed out, I'm chilling. I love when past me does something for future me, like thank you, thank My phone died and I already started loading stuff up, so we just gonna keep it going. I went and I bought these gloves. They were $5 because last time I was moving, my hands would get so dirty so fast and I would have to wash my hands so often, and my fingers, the skin around my fingernails would start peeling so crazy from washing them so much. So this time around, I learned my lesson. Get some gloves because the boxes be dirty, this be dirty,
filthy, everything
be dirty. And then, of course, when my hands get the most dirty and nasty, that's when I get something in my eye. That's when something want to fly in my eye. Place here, they don't ever be having their bathrooms open. I'll be just having to piss myself and put dirty fingers in my eye. I feel like I'm about to play golf though. Looking nice so far, nice and organized. Now I'm saying I still have a bed, 6 more boxes to put in here, so we got to figure this out. Okay, guys, think. Y'all, are we chopped or no? Is it a chopped function? Is it a chopped situation? Or half of the stuff is like, the boxes ain't even full, so I can really like make it smaller. And then it's just this bed. It feels like there's a lot here, but there's not really a lot. Most of this stuff is stuff that's precious that I want to put in the truck. And I can put my bike on the back of my truck. You just gotta plug and play. You know what I'm saying? See what it looks like.
Get dirty, ace that one time doing up birdie. I'ma make sure all of you heard me and show one them so no mercy. I knew my thing from early, catch me in the bars and clips like Jersey, chips and chicken, call me no jerky, turkey.
Thankfully, I have my air pump and my car has outlets where I can actually plug it in because the freaking outlets in the storage unit don't work. I'm gonna plug that up in here, turn that on. Plug is right here, conveniently. Oh, it's a twist. Meanwhile, I'm gonna continue figuring out how to put all this stuff in the U-Haul, and I'll talk to y'all a little bit later. It's looking good so far.
Okay.
I gave it a little break because that's a little tiny pump, you know what I'm saying? I let it go for 10 minutes and we're a little bit shrunken. You know, I can actually push it down a little bit more now. I'm gonna let it go for maybe like 30 minutes, but here's the update. Girl, just push it. I really do feel like a janitor today. Like, I feel like I'm about to go clean up puke in the cafeteria. Anyway, yeah, let's stuff this in there. That's what I'm working with, so I don't know. Car is going rogue, child. I thought it was gonna hit the garage door. Whew. Okay. Girl, see, I almost used that dirty finger and I'm finished. Fit everything in there. The last little bit of stuff is a little precarious. My bike, at this point, I'm not afraid of my bike getting scratched up. It's like, whatever. It's meant to be outside. I can clean it up, whatever. I'm not that precious about my stuff anymore. They want me to leave it like clean and there's not much in here. What's left are bugs. I kept all my stuff airtight in here. Like, I was not playing with these bugs in here because as soon as I moved in, I saw bugs cleaning out spider webs and stuff from the corners of the place. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make sure all my stuff is packed up tight. I almost left my vacuum cleaner. I almost left it. Okay, that took me a lot longer than 30 minutes. It took me a lot longer because I was trying to figure out how to put it together. And you would do it too. I wish I could clean this car out right now. Like, it's just jam-packed full of stuff. My truck bed is also jam-packed full of stuff, but it's all organized in the trunk. But in here, where I'm actually gonna be driving, it's gross. I'm definitely gonna have to stop and clean this at some point when I'm charging, because I gotta charge my car up, girl. Finally throw some of all this stuff in the trash. I've been driving around all day. I have a 6-hour trip over to Charlotte. I think I'm just gonna stop here and then I'll pick back up maybe in Charlotte. Yeah, I'll see y'all in Charlotte. Bye. Okay guys, I am in my new apartment and it's empty. I'm gonna show you all what it looks like before I bring my stuff in. So I got a long day ahead of me. It's just like moving stuff in here. I'm doing it all by myself. So I'm just gonna show you what it looks like before the chaos kind of ensues. It's a brand new apartment, nobody's lived in here before, which could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. Because good thing is that nobody's lived in here before, so everything is in tip-top brand new shape. Bad thing is that last time I went to the apartment that was brand new, everything was not working. Pipes was busted through the walls. You all know, y'all know. This is it. This is literally it. Like, it's a studio apartment. I downsized quite a bit, so it's not huge. It does come with this den over here. Okay, that's where I'm probably gonna put my bed or my desk, I'm not sure yet. And it has this cute door.
I said close them doors.
And then a closet here. Let me just put the camera around. Okay, so then ceilings aren't like high in here. Fine, it's fine.
It's all right.
Fine. You know what I'm saying? It's still a nice apartment. We're gonna make it nice and cozy just for the bed. The bed that I have, the king size, is not gonna fit in here, sister. So I got a new bed. Helix is sending me a queen size bed.
Another one, thank you.
And then we have our closet. Look how sad the closet is. Wah, wah, wah.
Well, she tried. At least, you know, she...
Girl, this the closet, that's it. I don't have so many clothes. I'm gonna probably put like an extra thing here so I can hang more stuff. That's it for right now. And it don't really even have that much vertical height. So there's that. But yeah, plenty of outlets. Hella outlets. And then we have the kitchen here. It does have some overhead lighting there. Cute little backsplash. It is what it is. You know, we got some storage. We got a stove, brand new. Dishwasher, thank God.
Thank God.
I can't not have a dishwasher now. Open storage. You know, everything is everything. Everything is everything.
Babe, what that mean?
Refrigerator. This refrigerator doesn't have filtered water.
No!
Damn. Which I do like. That low-key is a deal breaker for me, but for the price that I got this apartment, and I'm gonna talk about that later, girl, I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Over here is the washer and dryer. Whatever, long as it clean my clothes, girl. Like, seriously. Here's the bathroom. Very spacious. You know what I'm saying? We have a really nice shower. Great. I have space. My last shower did not have no space. That's me, ho. Take a good look because I'm about to look crazy in a couple of hours. Good amount of storage here and over here.
Okay.
So, yeah. Just a cute little ditty bop. A cute little 1-2-1-2 for me just to like have a home base. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all my stuff put in here and then I'll catch up with y'all later. Girl, I'm starting to feel the pressure. The pressure is getting what's up.
Bruh.
Yeah, I got some of my stuff in here. My bed. Thank God for this cart. They gave me a little cart. They said, here, you can take this to use it and move in. I am rolling with the punches.
And dot.
This ain't even punch. These are just 1-2 knockouts.
With one hand held the shirt, with the other being switched.
I knew it was gonna be difficult to move in. That's why I'm not stressed out. I'm just hot. I'm not allowing cortisol to enter my body.
Anxiety, stop!
No more cortisol. So far, everybody's been nice. I've been walking through the hallways, saying hi to people, mostly saying sorry and excuse me.
Move!
People are trying to help me. They're like holding the door for me and stuff like that. So that's nice. It's cool in here. My electric is on. I turned that on yesterday. Stuff to be grateful for. You know what I'm saying? Just the place to put my head down. Oh, thank God it's just boxes left. There's no awkward. This kind of stuff's like awkward to carry. The rest is just boxes that I can stack and roll. I'm done. Hallelujah! Hallelujah. It feels so good to be fully in here, even though I still feel like I'm gonna have to get rid of some stuff. Where's this stuff gonna go? Like, seriously. I'm about to just turn this into a closet instead of having it as a bedroom and just like make my living room a bedroom. Even though I really would like a cute sofa, separation between my sleep and my work. It would be nice to have extra storage. Maybe I could just find storage solutions. Cause I have this whole wall here that like looks like it could be fully decked out in storage. I might just go to IKEA and see what kind of cheap storage options there are. Anyway, I'm so thankful to be in here. There's so many little things that I'm so thankful for. Like the fact that I can make my smoothies again. So many things that I have been without for the past 6 months that I can't believe I ever took for granted. Like having a refrigerator is very important. Oh, yes. Like the ability to store your food if you don't finish eating it. Being able to wash your clothes quickly and conveniently. Consistent Wi-Fi. I'm so happy. If I was spending thousands of dollars on living here, then I'd be like, why this door don't shut all the way? It'd be that. I'm cool, calm, and collected. I'm gonna go return this trailer. It's fully empty and cleaned out. And then I'm gonna go maybe to IKEA, but that's gonna be in a different video. Bye.